of weird. Alright, so oil pressure shows 0. Check engine light was flickering. Watch when I rev it, oil pressure goes up. Light goes away. Let off throttle. And it drops immediately. The truck does have almost 200,000 miles on it, so. Let's see what we can do. Start out with a switch that's like 17 bucks. I mean, the oil's full. I know that for a fact. Could be the oil pump though too. So anyway, this ended up being the culprit. If you see, it's hard to see down in there, but there's actually oil. You can see the oil residue in the plug. I mean, in this oil pressure sensor. You know, you can see it all around here. I mean, this is the original one. It's got 193,000 miles on this truck. But you can see that, I guess there's probably is a diaphragm in between here, I'm guessing, that maybe pushes something. It's probably like a mechanical, switch, I'm guessing. But it clearly puked, whatever it is, and it was leaking oil into this, which was causing that erratic behavior, showing that I had no pressure, then I had some pressure, then I had no pressure, then I had some pressure. And all of it varied on how I varied the RPMs of the truck. Like the error went away, or the check engine light went away when I brought the RPMs up to like over 1,000 RPMs. So it must have been pumping out enough pressure to make this thing at least register something, and that's when it would go away. And then when I would let it go down to idle, it would drop all the way down to 0. So there must be a diaphragm in here. I'll crack it open later when I have time and take a look.